Today unboxing is on the 2020 Tomica event model. A pretty unusual one is a Tomica long box. This was released at the Tomica event in Osaka last month, along with a couple of others. Unfortunately, Tomica has cancelled a lot of 50th anniversary event due to the pandemic. The Tomica Farm Animal Transport Truck, Horse Truck for short, is one of the very unique casting that's released this year. There's also the mainline red box version, which is the Cow Truck, which I featured before. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. The two variants of horses are individually packed. Very interesting team that comprises of 10 horses included. Identical casting as the Cow Transport Truck. Very basic details but yet clean, with Tomica event model marking on the front. Standard button wheel sets for the Isuzu Giga without any suspension. Plastic base at the scale of 1:90. Tomica ranch marking printed on the canvas rooftop. I think the front view of the horse is looking very funny. The canvas rooftop can be easily removed. Quite a space to fit in 10 horses, but still I think it's cramped. The ram are able to drop down to load up the horses. The horses are made of ABS plastic, it's very soft. This particular horse is looking very ugly. It looks more like a donkey. I think it's very funny. The black horse is looking more decent. Loading the horses onto the transport truck is a breeze. The horses are able to stand by themselves. Alright, all the horses are loaded up. The horses are all packed like sardine without any space. It's very unethical. And yet it's looking very light-hearted for a theme that is unique for Tomica event model. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.